what is wrong with me, but whenever I film hair reviews, I literally film them 4 to 6 times because the struggle, honestly, the struggle. This hair is from Kendra's boutique. I bought it offline off her website. This is a wig. I made it myself. I have in 5 bundles of Brazilian straight, all 28 inches and a 12-inch closure. Okay, so next would be pricing, since everyone always asks me how much you pay for your hair, where'd you get it, blah blah blah. So for 5 bundles of 28 inches and a 12-inch closure, I believe I paid $600 exact. This hair is old, okay? So yeah, I've had this hair for a long time now. But yeah, I'm sure it was $600 or maybe just a little bit more over that price. And yeah, I do feel like their website is honestly affordable because they have so many bundle deals, so many different packages and whatnot. Maybe I can link it on the screen or link their website down below and you could check and see what you want, because this hair, honestly, stop the video right now if you want to hear anything negative about Kendra's boutique, because I have nothing negative to say. This hair is all good, okay? All good. This hair is good. This is good quality hair, okay? Okay, so what else? Talked about pricing. Okay, so next I would have to talk about the maintenance of this hair. This hair is very low maintenance. You know, it is weird. I could just take it on and off. It's not glued down or anything, or sewed down. I could take it on and off as I please, which I always do, always ripping this wig off. But the maintenance is very low. I honestly, when I go to class, I don't even brush my hair and my hair looks good. I don't straighten my hair barely. Honestly speaking, I don't take care of this hair like at all. I don't put products in it. I don't do serums, oils, spray, like no. It's just, this hair is just so good. So it's very low maintenance. If you're a low maintenance kind of person, you don't want to be taking care of your hair, like putting in work for your hair to look good, because you shouldn't have to do that. This is the hair for you. Okay, so like I said, this hair is naturally straight, and what I feel from a lot of companies, because I have tried so many different types of hair, and when they say naturally straight, when this hair gets wet, it starts waving up or starts getting frizzy or matty, or you know, like just untamable. This hair, when you wash it, you can walk right out the house, no products, no nothing, and you rest assured this hair will dry bone straight. You will not be disappointed, trust me. Yes, this hair is good. I know people are skeptical because for some people, like $600 is a lot to spend on hair. That is a big purchase for some people. I really do understand. So you want to make sure it's actually worth the price. It's good, blah, blah, blah. Yes, it is good. It is good hair, honestly. And honestly speaking, you do not need 5 bundles. This hair is naturally thick. You can get away with just 3 bundles, a closure, a frontal, whatever you want to do, whatever style you're going for or whatever. This hair is thick, like I said. These are the ends. It is super long. I have zero complaints. Like, this hair is amazing. I will purchase it over and over again. Honestly, I don't see myself purchasing their straight texture anytime soon, because I feel like this hair is going to last. So if any of y'all have tried Kendra's boutique and know any of other textures I can try next, just comment down below and I'll definitely get on that, because their hair is, honestly, it's so good. And in the end, to me, paying a large sum of money on hair that lasts me a long time is worth it than me just paying $200 here for some cheap hair, or $300 the next 2 months. And then, you know, I'd rather just pay for good quality hair and have it last me for a long time, because me, yeah, that's just what I like to do. Customer service, great customer service. It shipped in like 2-3 days, the normal standard shipping time. It didn't take a ridiculous amount of time to get to me. Came packaged beautifully. There's no weird smells. The wefts were constructed perfectly. I made this wig so fine. There had no issues. This hair doesn't tangle. Minimal shedding, okay? Like, this hair, minimal shedding. Like, no problem, no tangling, no matting, nothing. So yes, this hair is very good quality. I think I covered everything in this video. I just wanted to make it short and sweet and precise so y'all know. It's the best hair I have ever had, and I have had hair that has cost me well over $600 for less bundles, and it cannot compare, okay? It cannot compare. This hair is just amazing. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this review. I hope it was helpful to you. If you have any questions or comments, concerns, leave them down below in the comments. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.